Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Friday, September 1st, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. Terra Drone has acquired a majority stake in Antwerp-based Unify. While Unify has been chosen as the designated unmanned traffic platform for NEOM in southwestern Saudi Arabia, Terra Drone opened a joint venture, Terra Drone Arabia, this year after securing funding from Saudi Aramco. Meanwhile, the Central Bank of Egypt, CBE, hosted a training course on big data and artificial intelligence for central banks in collaboration with CMI, the COMESA Monetary Institute. The course was attended by 35 participants from 9 Eastern and Southern African central banks. And Saudi university students developed 12 research projects in AI and robotics at KAXT, the King Abdulaziz City for Science and Technology. 24 students took part in the 10-week training program. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.